John Toon Tower information Yankee, time 1300 Zulu, observation. Wind calm, visibility 10, clear skies, temperature 18, dew point 17, altimeter 3002. Visual approach runway 20 in use. Bird hazard activity moderate. Advise on initial contact, give information Yankee.
John Toon ground, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, ready to taxi with information Yankee at the T hangars. Student pilot solo doing pattern work.
Skyhawk 5880 Echo, John Toon ground, runway 20, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, 5880 Echo.
November 80 Echo, contact Tower 119.45.
Going to Tower 5880 Echo.
Cessna 80 Echo, John Toon Tower, you up?
80 Echo.
You ready to go, sir?
30 seconds, thank you, sir.
No problem.
John Toon Tower, 5880 Echo, ready to depart runway 20.
Remember, 5880 Echo, runway 20, wind calm, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 80 Echo. Skyhawk 5880 Echo, rejecting takeoff, requesting immediate taxi.
Cessna 80 Echo, cancel takeoff clearance, and you can turn left next taxiway, hold short taxiway Alpha.
Hold short via Alpha, 5880 Echo. John Toon Tower 5880 Echo, I'll go over to ground for the taxi back to the hangar.
Yeah, contact ground point 7.
John Toon ground, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, request taxi from Alpha 4 back to the T hangars.
Cessna 5880 Echo, John Toon ground. Taxi to the ramp via taxiway Alpha Romeo 4. Do you require any assistance today?
I'll taxi via Alpha Romeo 4. No, I just got a strange sound with the engine that I just don't feel confident about.
Alright, 0 Echo, roger.
Thanks for your help. Pontoon ground, Skyhawk November 5880 Echo, ready to taxi from the T hangars with information Yankee for pattern work.
Cessna 5880 Echo, Pontoon ground, runway 20, taxi via Romeo 3 Alpha.
Romeo 3 Alpha 20 5880 Echo. Pontoon Tower, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, holding short, runway 20, ready to depart.
Skyhawk 5880 Echo, John 2 Tower, runway 20, wind calm, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 20 5880 Echo.
John 2 Tower, information Zulu now current, altimeter 3003.
Extra rich, feeling both. Everything's ready to rock. Let's do it. Gauges in the green. Airspeed's alive. 45, 50, 55, 60 rotating. Pitch for 80. Pontoon Tower, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, midfield, downwind, inbound for full stop, taxi back runway 20.
Cessna 80 Echo, runway 20, wind calm, clear to land.
Clear to land 20, 5880 Echo.
Helicopter 62, my Papa, left downwind for 20.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, runway 20, wind calm, clear for the option. Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, did you copy last?
Helicopter 62, my Papa.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, runway 20, wind calm, clear for the option.
Cleared for the option, 622, my Papa.
And Cessna 80 Echo, you can turn left on Alpha 3 and then left again down to the end.
Alpha 3, 80 Echo.
Cessna 880 Echo, runway 20, wind calm, clear for takeoff. Traffic is a helicopter midfield, right downwind.
Clear for takeoff, runway 20, looking for traffic, 5880 Echo.
Cirrus 40 Foxtrot, can you say direction turnout?
I'd like to go to the left for 048 heading, 42 Foxtrot.
Copy all, maintain VFR and contact departure if you're flight following. Have a safe flight.
Roger, VFR, go for departure, 42 Foxtrot. Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, left downwind 20.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, runway 20, wind calm, clear for the option. Traffic is a Cessna departure roll now.
2 Mike Papa, cleared for the option 20, we have the traffic departing inside. It's shot 2 traffic, 40 Foxtrot, I'll just stay with you until I'm clear at the field.
Copy all.
Pontoon Tower, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, inbound, full stop, taxi back for runway 20.
Cessna 80 Echo, runway 20, 1360 F4, clear to land.
Clear to land 20, 80 Echo.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, left coast traffic first.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, left coast traffic.
Cessna 80 Echo, faithful turn left next taxiway, hold short taxiway Alpha.
Exiting via Alpha, holding short at Alpha 30 Echo.
Cessna 80 Echo, you can make a left turn if you want to taxi back down to the end.
Left turn, taxi back, 80 Echo.
Okay, from jet 667, John 2 Tower, hold short runway 20.
Hold short 20, exit jet 667.
Johnson Tower, Skyhawk 580 Echo, holding short at runway 20, ready to depart.
Cessna 80 Echo, runway 20, wind 020 at 4, clear for takeoff, traffic is a helicopter midfield right downwind.
Clear for takeoff, 20, looking for traffic, 80 Echo.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, left downwind. 20.
2 Mike Papa, runway 20, wind 020 at 4, clear for the option, traffic is a Cessna, taking the runway now for departure.
2 Mike Papa cleared for the option after the departing Cessna.
Gauges in the green, 45, 50, 55, and rotate. Climb out at 80.
Cessna 80 Echo, right close traffic approved.
Right close, traffic approved, 80 Echo.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, left close traffic approved.
2 Mike Papa, left close traffic.
Johnson Tower, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, inbound for landing, full stop, no taxi back, runway 20.
Helicopter 80 Echo, runway 20, or correction, Cessna 80 Echo, runway 20, wind 010 at 4, clear to land.
Clear to land 20, 80 Echo.
John June Tower, Cherokee 31700, holding short 20, ready to go.
Cherokee 31700, John 2 Tower, hold short runway 20.
Holding short 20, 31700.
Cessna 80 Echo, traffic is a aircraft taking the runway now for departure.
Traffic in sight, 80 Echo.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, your number 2. Traffic you're following is a Cessna right base.
2 Mike Papa, we're number 2 behind the Cessna, turning right base. We've got traffic in sight.
Cessna 80 Echo, contact ground 121.71 off.
Contact ground, 80 Echo, thanks. Jump to ground, Skyhawk 5880 Echo at Alpha 3, ready to taxi to the T hangars.
Number 5880 Echo, John Tune, ground, hold short taxiway Alpha. I've got a Cessna traveling from right to left taxiway Alpha.
Holding short, 80 Echo.
Number 80 Echo, taxi to parking via Alpha.
Taxi to parking via Alpha, 80 Echo.